Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, last week we featured his video, and today he's joining us to talk to us all about his upcoming EP called Prove Them Wrong and a whole heap of other things. Welcome, Valiant, once more.
Blessings.
Yeah.
No.
All right, so we'll just jump straight to the question still. How is it that you came by the name Valiant?
Yo, a long story. You know, back then, my friend them look for a name, like a name for fine. But the name Raheem, that's my government name, and put melody on the last part of it. But it never had to give a click, it never had to give a type of energy, it never had to give a vibe. Like, I have a favorite show, I used to watch a cartoon, it named Valiant.
Oh,
yeah. One bird in the night, I rate the bird. I like the bird and thing. I say, you know, I'm going to take the name from the bird. Yeah. And it just stick for me from that, you see me?
Valiant.
Yeah.
Work. It work. Prove Them Wrong, name of the EP.
Yeah.
Why that title?
And not just for me, just like for all of the fans, them, anybody who feel like anybody doubt them in any type of way, it's always another level you can go on to prove them wrong. So we just need the storyline for how far me I come from and the things that me go through, I always prove them wrong. So that's my official project that.
So you feel like even though you have accomplished so much, you're a household name, that you still need to prove?
Yeah, people still doubt the thing. People always doubt the thing. You know, when you have success and you do your thing, people still say you can't reach a certain level. People still, even if you have a business and you open one franchise, them feel like you can't open other franchise. People always doubt the thing. You need them people. You're going to need them people, is it?
Yeah. Tell us a little bit about the features on the project, features, producers, those things.
So the executive producers are Kareem, that's Friday, producer, DJ Mac. The other producers are Crown Heights, Emoji Records, and GI. They are from the Diplomats team. So basically it's just an in-house thing. Yeah.
Which is right.
So the years, your time in music, because years now.
3 years.
Yeah, years.
4 years.
Years now, you can't say years. You feel like you have matured, grown, become a new version of Valiant?
I feel like I have enough more to learn. Yeah. I was watching Barry's, more on YouTube, I watch Barry's perform and thing. I can't do that. So long I'm performing, I have enough things I want to grow up on and them little things there, isn't it? So I'm mature by growing fan base and getting new fan base and finding songs, yes, but there's still more. I'm still not find a world song there to say, yo, go Alaska, go Africa and them things there, isn't it? So I have enough more work.
What about the sound of the music though? You just said the sound, your sound has matured.
Yeah, by far, yeah. People know my sound. If I hear my voice, people know it. So yeah, mature, yes, and we have enough more maturing for do.
Yeah. All right, shows. You have no shows coming up?
No, for a lot. I have a Europe and UK tour. I'm going back to the UK again. I have City Splash with Spice, Popcorn, Dexter Daps, Tara Shiley. I have Malta, Reese's Land. I have in the Europe side now, we have in Amsterdam, them side there.
Yeah, ready.
This is third time. Third time? Yeah.
Sorry, you have to call man.
No,
Valiant.
No. Yeah, but Valiant, you know, it's so like if you put Sir Point like one of them nights there, you know,
no, man.
Sir Valiant.
No one is Sir Pamini. Oh, yeah, go with me, man.
So
but don't want father already.
No, but I want to ask you a thing though, because as you speak about becoming a father and all of these things, like these things are things that pull on you, you know, as far as your responsibilities are concerned. What is it that you would have said inspires you to keep going, to that little extra edge for get up and keep on moving?
My son definitely at first one. Always looking back, so you don't want to go back to where I come from. I never get too comfortable.
That's it.
And I always remind myself, say, yo, I'm not reach nowhere. The moment you feel like you reach somewhere, you go start behave like you're not doing no work or nothing.
At the time you start that way.
Yeah. So,
at that way there. People are always asking, you know, what are the improvements that can happen in the dance hall space? And it's normally directed at older heads. You as a younger member of the dance hall space, what are the changes, adjustments, moves that you think would better the dancehall space?
You know, I'm not going to answer that though.
I wonder
Music
how you-
breadwinner, I'm not answer
I
that.
wonder why you answer that.
No.
The question I'm asking, I'm not talking to compare with anything, you know, I'm just talking about.
No, I understand, but that sticky thing is.
If you were Prime Minister, what would you...
I'm not your title.
No, man, that sound like a heavyweight thing. I even in my business for 10 years. I can't answer that.
Alright, so let me ask you a question where you
Can't
can
answer
answer.
that.
What you know?
As come I look around and I notice that I see some day one faces around the place. Where do you want to see from first?
Definitely.
Why was it important for you to keep things in-house with people, to have around your people where you trust and can move forward with?
I just some stay. You see me, I say, them know too. I some stay, I'm straightforward with everything. Like, your team after they run here, day one. Stecco, he's the one that say, Father, you see me, I say, he's my road manager. You don't know, Istal, he produced a song. Lyle Dan produced a song with me on 450. So everything have to stay in the circle. The food have to stay in the circle. You get what me I say? Because any problems me have, we can cuss them.
Yeah.
And then cuss me back. And not because me an artist and them little thing, them make things slide. If them have a problem, they might know, yes man, all of my friends them around me, them achieve certain things and make sure so that man, they make sure that happen for themselves too.
Which is important. People around you supposed to be able to tell you no and when you're wrong.
Everything, isn't it?
Yeah, and I don't hear song.
You know, easy. You know, easy there.
But you don't make you grow. I mean, if persons around you aren't able to say, say you do this wrong, or I think you can do this in a different way that to make it better. Or, people can disagree with you. The people that are closest to you are supposed to disagree with you, so you grow your boundaries.
Definitely.
Yeah, which is right.
As out of your day one version of now, which one are you really general?
I'll be a thing like that.
Yo, is this so?
The two of us
I'm more than one day when they both in about this too. But we are the early birds. We are the early birds.
Why am I going to say? So Valiant.
Yeah, like how the man, like how you never answer on TV.
No man, I want I love share. If you have 10 pitney, you love our cut short for 10 of them.
Remind us of the album release date again.
May the 23rd.
May 23rd.
Yeah, definitely. Prove them wrong. May the 23rd.
Why that date? You just pick a random date?
No, I just like that date. In between, near to summer for release, back school, off, all of that.
And where we can find a social media?
Valiant _music. Instagram, I am a narcissist. TikTok, I am a narcissist.
I wonder if it's a narcissist.
You pronounce Valiant, I am a narcissist, yeah.
No, Valiant, you can write in any one of them and you find me.
Yeah. All right, so Valiant is staying with us for the game that we're going to play later in the show. Our Daytime Live will be right back, and it's all about the Mother's Day benefit performance from Shortwood Practicing Primary and Infant School. Down to that.